Hello, we are Minsik Kim,
Jihwan Seol,
Minseok Chang,
and Yeojin Kim
from GDSC Jungwon University in Korea. We would like to introduce our solution, AudioPoli.
Security camera plays a vital role in crime prevention and rapid response, but restrictions on installation locations, privacy concerns and high costs, there exist significant security blind spots. This is especially true in economically challenged, under-infrastructured areas, and spaces where privacy is important. Ironically, these are the spaces most vulnerable to crime. AudioPoli aims to protect those who are left out of the public eye and ensure that everyone can live in a safe society. We aim to contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, specifically, 11, sustainable cities and communities, and 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Our technology serves as a powerful alternative in areas where it is difficult to install security camera. AudioPoli analyzes audio data in real time to detect and recognize dangerous situations such as capturing screams or emergency signals. Then, it automatically reports to the institutions such as police and fire station, with final review by an administrator if necessary. AudioPoli is particularly useful in areas with economic hardships or lack of infrastructure, and in spaces where video recording is restricted for legal and ethics, such as locker rooms or toilets. It can be deployed at a relatively low cost and uses only audio data, which preserves individual privacy while quickly detecting and reacting to threats. In fact, we built this real-time system, starting with microphones that detect sounds above a certain decibel, followed by AI analysis based on the Google Cloud platform, and finally being stored in a database. When new statistical information for type and time of incident information is entered, a pin appears on the dashboard at appropriate location, and an audio from the scene is delivered. This allows the administrator to determine the situation, and both police and users are notified if it is confirmed as real. The police can immediately dispatch to the scene, and users are made aware of incidents around them and can take actions. AudioPoli is the system contributing to creating a safer and more peaceful society through technology.